Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix URL signature expired messenger. In order to fix it, so first of all you want to make sure to update your app. Head over to your respective app, type in messenger on the search bar and locate if the app needs to be updated or not. Once it is completely updated, then exit out. Then you want to long press onto the messenger application, go to the I button and tap that out, and here come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and here as well you want to make sure to go to permissions and enable some sort of manage URL link or something like that. So the next thing what you also want to do is right on this page you want to scroll down and look for app details, and when you go to app details you could find this open supported link. You have to make sure to enable that options as well. So here if you see such, you want to toggle the button for that, and that is how you'll be able to fix the URL signature expired messenger. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.